Hey all, Erin here. I am going to show you how Leigh Edwards Company actually provided me with root touch-up. It was $45, and as you can see, this is the before. And I'm going to go through and touch up my roots so that I stay non-gray during this quarantine time. So I'm going to actually do a time lapse of it so you guys don't have to watch the entire thing. And yeah, so it should be fun. I want to give a shout out to Amanda and Kayla at Leigh Edwards Company. And thanks guys for putting this whole thing together. So Leigh Edwards Company actually put together my coloring and everything that I use to do my roots at home. And so this will be the bowl that I use. They gave me gloves. They also gave me a comb. So I paid $45 to get my normal coloring and everything as a kit for this quarantine time. So I'm excited to use it right now. Okay, so looks pretty terrible. This is why I'm not a stylist. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 20-30 minutes. And I'm gonna wash it out and show you guys the finished product. Yay! Alright everyone, now that my hair is done, you can see that my roots are covered. No more gray. I'm so excited.